Hey guys, I am doing my hair today, and today we are doing half up, half down. I'm going to be doing some half up, half down on myself using hair from Outre, and this is their Waterwave Fro twist, and I currently have color 1B. And we're going to be installing this gorgeous hair, guys. I'm so excited. So this style I'm going to wear for about a week, and with this hair you could do different styles. You could do twists, you could do locks with it, but I wanted to try it out with crochet to see how the hair actually holds up, because synthetic crochet hair, most of them usually tangle and stuff, but I wanted to see how good this hair is. And the curls are so pretty, very soft, and they have so many colors as well. They have color 4. This is color 4, but I'm not going to use the color 4 today. I'll use the 1B, but I just want to show you guys that they have so many colors that you could try with this hair. And yeah, so let's start. So if you see any flakes on my scalp, please forgive my scalp. I've had a very stressful week. I just started school, and when I tell you, like, when I'm stressed, my scalp usually, like, yeah, my scalp usually have its moments, and I start to like have like flakes on my scalp even after washing my hair. So please, if you see any flakes, please do not judge me, okay? So I'm going to be doing some little crisscross braids on the side just to give it a little bit of style. And yeah, I'll just allow you to enjoy and see how I install this. Alright, so now that I'm done doing the bun and everything, I'm just going to tie it down first before I crochet in the hair. So I'm really just going to use one strand, crochet in one strand of the hair, and the crochet way I'm going to do it is going to be kind of like an illusion way. So I'm going to first pass the crochet needle through the braid and then pass the hair through. Okay, and after that we're going to just make a knot with the hair with just one strand. Okay, so now I'm just going to pass one strand of the hair through the loop that I've created and just like make a knot. So you want to cross the strand that's in the bottom, so that way it looks kind of like an illusion way, so you don't see the knot. But yeah, I'm gonna do it again, but hopefully that's clear. So far this hair is very easy to crochet in. I was a little bit nervous because it's synthetic hair, but for synthetic hair this is actually great quality, and I wasn't experiencing any like difficulty or tangle while I was crocheting the hair. I've used other brands of curly synthetic hair for crochet styles and I used to hate it. Like it would just mat and tangle even while I'm installing it, but this one is just like easy breezy. So good job Outre hair, this is a good quality hair. So for the bun area, as you can see, I'm just using rubber band to cover it. I don't want to crochet pieces into it because I'm not going to wear this hair for a long time. So this is just a quick way to just cover the bun and do your ponytail. So I really love this hair, guys. This is my first time trying half up half down with a crochet hair. I will usually just do like a full look, but this is actually gorgeous. I love this curly hair. I love the curl texture, and you could just wrap it up in a bun, as you can see. And yeah, I wore it in a bun also, and I got a lot of compliments with this hair in school. Everybody loved it. So yeah, this is a quick style you could do on yourself for your day-to-day activity. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you check out Outre hair. I will leave the link to this hair in the description box so you could try it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.